Artoonza.
Gears up, Glitter Gang! Ever wanted to turn a chunky bulldozer into a sparkle-powered runway model? Today, we draw a mean, glossy bulldozer that's equal parts construction site and fashion show. Yes, with nail polish, glitter, and dramatic color injections. First, we boss it with a black marker. Then we draw a giant heart in glitter because this machine demands applause.
Aww, so cute.
Expect a tiny naughty vacuum, then wild acrylic drops that explode into rainy rainbow paint fun. By the end, this bulldozer will be ready to bulldoze your boredom and hug your crayons. Stick around, or the bulldozer might roll off the screen. Give us your like. Our tiny vacuum is not naughty. It's glitter hungry. Nom nom nom. Let's go. Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Glossy brown time. Paint this bulldozer so shiny, even the dirt asks for an autograph. It's sticky, it's shiny, it's adorable. Okay, fine, I love it. Shh, don't tell my mom. Give us a big thumbs up. Whee! We're turning a simple bulldozer drawing into a pro-level shiny machine. Color, color, color. Green polish coming up. Make it look like the cutest construction vehicle in the garden.
Aww, so cute.
Don't be shy, color high. Color this construction vehicle drawing like it just grew from a crayon garden. Red color injection. Drop, swirl, brush. Polish check. If your bulldozer winks at you, that means you colored it just right. Give it a high five from me. Color, color, color. Now our bulldozer looks ready for a superhero rescue. Wow. Light blue injection. Drizzle the sky onto the metal and watch it go from work site to Wonderland. Yellow injection. Sunny drops equals instant happy machine. Warning, may cause spontaneous smiling. Color injections. One tiny drop, maximum giggle dosage. Color, color, color. This is so amazing. Smash that like button now. Acrylic color injections. Red, blue, yellow drops turning our bulldozer drawing into a rainbow-powered work site. Silver glitter finish. Sprinkle robot disco dust and reveal the shiniest bulldozer on Earth. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.